Hola clase, vamos a aprender sobre la fecha. Hoy es lunes, es el 5 de octubre. Class, we're going to learn about how we talk about the date. We're going to talk about how we talk about the date, the months, the weeks, the years, the seasons of the year. So, on our first slide here, we had la fecha, hoy es lunes, es el 5 de octubre. And here is the translation of that. La fecha means the date. Hoy es lunes means today is Monday. Es el 5 de octubre. It is the 5th of October. I want to point out to you that in Spanish, the days of the week, the months of the year are not capitalized the way we capitalize them in English. In English, we consider them proper nouns, the names of the month and the days, but in Spanish, they are just considered to be common nouns and they are not capitalized. This is the days of the week. El lunes is Monday. Los días de la semana. Let's start there. Los días de la semana, the days of the week. El lunes is Monday. Now in Espanol, we often put the definite article in front of the day of the week. I'm going to do this el lunes. The test is el martes, is on el martes. In English, we say on or on Monday. But in Spanish, we say es el. We say is the Monday. So we're going to say el lunes is Monday, el martes is Tuesday, el miércoles, Wednesday, el jueves, Thursday, el viernes, Friday, el sábado, Saturday, el domingo, Sunday. Now, you need to pause this video and copy this vocabulary into your notebook. You will need to learn this and know this, okay? Los meses del año, the months of the year, enero. You'll also notice here again, the months are not capitalized. January is enero, febrero, February, marzo, March, abril, April, mayo, May, junio, June, julio, July, agosto, August, septiembre, September, octubre, October, noviembre, November, y diciembre, December. And as you look at these, each one is a cognate because it's spelled similarly and it's pronounced similarly, and that means the same thing. So that's the definition of cognate. The only one that you really couldn't say is a cognate is January, and it's enero. But once again, enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, y diciembre. Now pause the video and write this vocabulary in your notebook. Las estaciones del año, the seasons of the year. Literally, it does mean the stations of the year. Las estaciones. La estación means station. In Espanol, that's the word we use for season. So the first season, la primavera, means spring, el verano, summer, el otoño, fall or autumn, and el invierno is winter. Now pause this and write the vocabulary in your notes. Here is some other vocabulary that you will need to copy down, you'll need to know. Our essential questions for this lesson: ¿Cuál es la fecha? What is the date? En qué día es hoy? What day is today? Are our essential questions. So knowing how to say that, how to answer those questions. La fecha, the date. Mañana means tomorrow. Mes is the word for month. Semana is the word for week. Hoy means today. Ayer means yesterday. Año means year. And estación means season. El fin de semana or el fin de la semana is weekend. And semana pasada is the week past, or as we say in English, last week. El año pasado is last year. So take a minute and copy this vocabulary into your notebook. You should be able to answer the following questions. El año es, el mes es, ¿cuál es la fecha de hoy? I don't think that some of these that you would be able to answer, but going forward, by the time you finish Spanish 1, you should be able to answer these following questions. Okay, so write them down, see if you can think about them. Let's talk about the calendar in Spanish. Again, the months of the year and the days of the week are not capitalized in Spanish. But the calendar in Spanish, the Spanish calendar in Spanish-speaking countries begins on Monday. And in the United States, our calendar, when you look at our calendar, it begins on Sunday, which is Domingo, down here. But in Spanish-speaking countries, it begins on Monday. So it's lunes. The week begins Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's the way we do it. So we say lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. So this is Monday. And that's the way the calendar looks in Spanish, in the Spanish-speaking country. ¿Qué año es? What year is it? El año es 2020. ¿Qué mes es? What month is it? El mes es octubre. Es octubre. ¿Cuál es la fecha de hoy? Now the way we say what is today's date is, we say hoy es el, and here we would have the number. So if it's the first, we say primero. And if it's any other number, we just use the number. So today is October the 5th, so it'd be hoy es el 5 de octubre del 2020. ¿Cuál es la fecha de mañana? Si hoy es el 5 de octubre, mañana es el 6 de octubre 2020. Otra vez clase, repiten, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Otra vez clase, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Let's practice a little bit. How would we say the 4th of July? ¿Cuál es la fecha? What's the date? Well, the calendar here says July 4th. So, es el 4 de julio. Es el día de la independencia de los Estados Unidos. It's our Independence Day. ¿Cuál es la fecha aquí en la foto? Es el 14 de febrero. Es el día de San Valentín. It's St. Valentine's Day, February 14th. ¿Cuál es la fecha? La fecha es el 5 de mayo. Vamos a celebrar. Vamos a hacer una fiesta. Una fiesta. ¿Cuál es la fecha? Es el 1 de enero. Es el nuevo año. Es New Year's. ¿Qué día es hoy? Hoy es lunes. ¿Qué día es mañana? Mañana es martes. This is talking about your birthday. Tu nacimiento is the day of your birth. It's not your birthday every year, it's the day of your birth, okay? So, ¿cuál es la fecha de tu nacimiento? The word we use for birthday is cumpleaños. How many years have you fulfilled? But ¿cuál es la fecha de tu nacimiento? Means la fecha means your birth, your actual birth date. So, la fecha de mi nacimiento es el, whatever it is. You write the number in, and then the month, and then the year. Por ejemplo, la fecha de mi nacimiento es el 22 de agosto de 2000. That would be my youngest son's date of birth. These are just other things about the calendar. See if you can answer these questions and keep these in mind as we go forward, because we'll be trying to answer these. But when I say answer them in complete sentences. Okay, that's basically the calendar. I just wanted to give you the vocabulary. You'll need to study the vocabulary in Quizlet. Eventually, you'll have a test over this, but we'll be going over this daily in class for a while. So we get back face to face.